close your legs up. And when you do that, then you just get them on balance and drop them like that, and then elbow to his face. And some of those are actually pretty cool. I like watching some of those. I feel like the karate.
The other one where you flipped him again.
Yeah.
Wait, which one? The hip throw?
The hip
Yeah.
throw.
Whatever. I'll get it in a minute.
Alright,
Watch out for the fence.
Yeah.
You're not supposed to attack me. Can you do that flip again? Over the shoulder? I'm like, that's a pretty fluid move. Yeah. And you bring them down too. Oh, I landed on the face. Right on the face. Oh, God.
That was funny.
Oh, that was beautiful.
Good job.
A little bit better on my part. Oh, don't you hate that when you get hit in the nose and like your ears hurt?
I got hit in the nose, I can feel the blood rush.
Oh, yeah.
That's happened to me too.